Hi, this is Naba Barkakati. In previous videos I talked about what cloud computing is and what are the benefits of using cloud. In this video I'm going to briefly discuss what some of the risks of cloud computing may be. The risks depend on how you implement the cloud. Of course, if you're converting your internal data center that you already had to a cloud, then the risks might be same as what you used to have all along. However, if you're going to consider a vendor's cloud, then you do have to think of some of the other things that may go wrong and try to manage those risks as well. For starters, we can think of the security and privacy area, where you might have the risk of not really being sure how well the cloud provider has implemented security and privacy, especially whether they're meeting all the requirements that may be imposed by laws and regulations, for instance. Secondly, you have some risks in the area of management and oversight that arise from the lack of control, rather the potential lack of control over where the data resides, where it's processed, and whether you can get it back if you move from one cloud provider to another, whether you can get the performance that you're expecting. After all, it's network-based work and operation. Also, in the oversight area, you have to consider whether your auditors who might have to come and check out the implementation of your systems and how secure they are, whether they can get access to the cloud. Perhaps they cannot, perhaps they can. That's another potential risk. We also have some technical risks in the area of not having well-defined standards for what cloud services are, how they are priced. Also, areas such as exchange of, for instance, exchange of information between clouds, is it standardized or not, things like that. And of course, performance, network performance, or cloud performance, questions related to that. Fourth area is probably what I would call a catch-all. For instance, things like some foreign regulations, laws that may apply to the cloud, to your data, because it's in the cloud and it happens to be in a location that is under the jurisdiction of some other foreign authority. So those are some of the risks that you can think of, and you should think of more if you can come up with others. And of course, you should try to mitigate these risks, manage these risks, assess their impact, and see what you can do about them, as is the prudent thing to do. Some of these risks are going to be pretty easy to handle. There may be already ways to do it, perhaps through contractual arrangements. Some may have ongoing activities, standardizations, etc., that may help alleviate them in the future. And even if they are not, if you consider the benefits of cloud overwhelming, then you can still move to it and simply accept the risks. And after all, that's how you get all the best things in life, right? By taking some risks. Anyway, this has been Naba Barkakati with another 3-minute video. Thank you.